Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today is very exciting day for us because my son is going to have his haircut for the first time at salon. So without wasting much time, let's see his today's haircut. Hairdresser is making him ready. You can see here. And I can't believe that he is sitting quietly. But for safer side, I asked my husband to play something for him so that he can sit quietly for longer time. Trust me, at home he never sits like this. So I'm really shocked today and happy at the same time. I must say that the person who is doing my son's haircut is extremely professional. The way he's managing my son, I'm really speechless. Trust me, just before leaving home, I was telling my husband that we might have to come back with half-done haircut. But now I think I'm wrong. We were planning for his haircut quite long time, but somehow it was not happening. But today I was determined, like it has to be today. Even though we played cartoon for him, he's mostly looking at himself. And sometimes he is looking at the person who is sitting next to him. Before this, my mom managed his haircut at home. তার আগেই দিদুন কিন্তু স্টার্ট করে দিয়েছে প্রসিডিওর। If you are not ready to take your kid at salon, you can always try to do your kid's haircut at home, but make sure you are taking all the precautions because kids haircut it's not really easy job. While capturing his video, I was just recalling his first photo shoot when he was just 2 days old. And now see, he's growing very fast. So finally his most wanted haircut is almost done. And I think he too enjoyed today's haircut. Oh, I forgot to tell you that his second year birthday is just knocking at the door. But we may not celebrate his birthday the way we always wanted due to COVID situation. So this is the final round of touch up, and this is the blow dry is happening now, and little bit styling as well. Wow, he is looking super cute.
अंकल के टाटा कर दो
Now it's time to go back to home, and my son is going towards his cycle. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please do comment in comment box, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I will end my video here. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.